Welcome back students. In this video I am going to cover what are the different positions and orientations of the planes with respective principal planes. I hope you know the word what a principal plane is. Horizontal plane, vertical plane as well as the profile plane are together called as principal planes. Before that, you are aware of the concept of first angle projection method. In the first angle projection method, the planes are said to be placed like this. It is being placed like this. For example, this is nothing but the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. To make you very clear understanding, I am making the planes rotate towards the audience. This is what, dear students, this is a vertical plane and this is nothing but the horizontal plane. With respect to these two planes in the first angle projection method, in how many possible ways can we place the given planes like a triangle, a circle or a pentagon or a hexagon? The positions can be placed. Let's look at taking into consideration one plane. In today's lecture, I am going to take into consideration a rectangular plane where I am going to show you the positions, the possible positions. Please do also try to work out along with me, placing the planes, that is nothing but vertical and horizontal, and try to make these all planes and try to concentrate. Now, as I told, the terminology is like this is with respect to the surface. In this lecture, I am going to let you know what are the different orientations of the planes with respect to the surface only, with respect to the surface. Now, if you look at this first orientation, dear students, how is my orientation with respect to the given planes? The first orientation is just like the surface of the plane is parallel to horizontal plane. The surface of the plane is parallel to horizontal plane. When the surface is parallel to horizontal plane, it is perpendicular to the vertical plane. Isn't it, dear student? The surface is perpendicular to the vertical plane, horizontal plane, parallel to horizontal plane, it is perpendicular to vertical plane. Let's take into consideration one more plane here, and I can place even the position of my plane in this position also. When it is like this, it is like the surface is parallel to vertical plane and it is perpendicular to horizontal plane. Yes, students, the surface or the lamina or the sheet is parallel to vertical plane and it is perpendicular to horizontal plane. This is the first condition. I mean to tell you all that when a plane surface is parallel to one plane, it is perpendicular to the other plane. It is parallel to one plane and it is perpendicular to the other plane. And the next orientation I would like to let you all know is that plane perpendicular to both the principal planes. If I look into the consideration here, the plane surface is neither parallel to HP nor parallel to VP. So the orientation is that it is perpendicular to HP as well as it is perpendicular to VP. If I take into consideration the other plane also, it is perpendicular to HP as well as it is perpendicular to VP. That means it is parallel to the profile plane. Profile plane is a plane where we are going to see the side view. And the next orientation I would like to let you all know is inclination. I can place even like this also. A plane surface inclined to horizontal plane. Plane surface inclined to horizontal plane. That means it is perpendicular to vertical plane. When a plane is inclined to one plane, it is perpendicular to other plane. Now let's look at the vertical plane. Vertical plane position. It is inclined to vertical plane. The plane surface is inclined to vertical plane and it is perpendicular to horizontal plane. While working out the problems, I am going to let you all know in much more detail the positions of these planes. Let's consider one more. It is inclined to HP as well as it is inclined to VP. The surface of the plane is inclined to HP. I can place like this, as well as it is making some inclination even with the vertical plane. That means it is inclined to both HP as well as VP. These are the orientations of the plane's surface with respect to principal plane, dear students. The first thing is what? When it is parallel to one plane, it is perpendicular to the other plane. And the second condition is that it is perpendicular to both the planes. And the third condition is that when it is inclined to one plane, it is perpendicular to the other plane. When it is inclined to one plane, it is perpendicular to the other plane. And the last condition is very important. Based on inclined to HP as well as inclined to VP, the problems will be asked in the question paper exam. It is inclined to HP as well as inclined to VP. These all are the orientations or the positions of the planes with respect to the principal planes. Hope you are understanding the concepts. For more videos, please do comment in the comment section and do subscribe to my channel. Hope we will see what are the different problems with respect to the orientations in the coming videos. Thank you.